Hi guys! Did you know that in Japan they eat KFC on Christmas? Are you joking? You might think, but it's true. KFC in Japan will also sell a limited Christmas barrel. By the way, this BGM is a song that has been used for a long time in Japanese KFC commercials. Most Japanese people think of the KFC commercial when they hear this song. I'm sorry to get off topic. This time I will show you how to make KFC Takikomi Gohan using this Kentucky Fried Chicken. It is a recipe for reusing KFC, which is famous in Japan. It's a very easy recipe, so give it a try. Do you use kitchen knives that cut properly when cooking? A well-sharpened knife will save you from crying when you cut those onions. Besides, cooking with a knife that is not sharp will lower the quality of the food. Fill with water and discard immediately. Stir quickly for about 20 seconds. You say wash rice in English, but we called togu in Japanese, not wash. When rice preparation technology was not yet very advanced, the bran around the rice could not be removed by polishing, and the rice had to be washed with water and rubbed together before cooking to remove the bran. This process of rubbing together is called togu in Japanese. As a remnant of that time, rice is said to be togu instead of washed. The English translation of togu is sharpen. In addition to rice, the process of making a knife sharpen is also called togu. Rinse with water several times, and when the water becomes clear, it is okay. Put in the part you want to eat. Push the button. The music is playing in anticipation of the finish. Music sounded to indicate that the cooking was finished. Open. It looks delicious. Mix KFC to remove it from the bun. Remove burns carefully. It's even slightly burnt rice. We call it okoge. Looks savory and delicious. Itadakimasu. It smells just like when you open a box of KFC. The aroma and taste of KFC will fill your mouth. Definitely tasty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel.